Okay, hi everybody. This is a little demonstration on the FA20 engine rocker problem. We at Denstoj Auto Centre have developed a retainer system for the rocker to locate it and keep it in its place instead of the problems that they encounter with the rockers falling off. So I will just give you a light little demo on how easy they are, or how easy they fall out. As simple as that. Just a light little load on the valve spring and they just simply drop out and fall inside the head. Now this can happen with a valve with a slight over rev or a valve bounce situation, or even a valve sticking. It'll hold the spring down, the valve down, and the rocker will simply just drop out. Now what we've developed is a retainer system for the rocker so this can't happen again. And it's simply just a retainer clip on the pivot, so if that comes loose, comes free below the cam, it can't simply drop out like they can currently. See, at the moment what Subaru have done is pretty much just put a rocker on top of a pivot. As soon as you get any clearance between the cam lobe and the rocker, they simply just drop straight out. So they pretty much just drop out like that. Now if you have a look at what I've done here is retain the rocker onto the pivot, so even if there's a clearance between the cam lobe and the rocker, it simply is held in, it can't fall out.